In the previous video, we understood the erase command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to remove objects from drawing, how erase is different from trim, and how to use undo if we delete something by mistake. Now, in this video we'll understand another useful editing command, the explode command. The explode command is used to break combined objects into separate parts. For example, if you have a simple rectangle, polyline, block, or a group object, and you want to edit its individual parts separately, you can use explode. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the explode command in a very simple way. The explode command is used to separate combined objects into a smaller individual objects. Think of it like breaking a Lego model into separate pieces. Before exploding, the object behaves like one object. After exploding, the objects become separate objects. So the simple way to remember is this. Explode means breaking one combined object into separate parts. Let's understand this with a rectangle. When you draw a rectangle using a rectangle command, AutoCAD usually creates it as one object. If you click the rectangle, the whole rectangle gets selected. But after using explode, the rectangle becomes 4 separate lines. Now, you can select the top line separately. You can select the left line separately. You can move, erase, edit each side separately. That is the main idea of the explode. There are two common ways to start an explode command. The first way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Modify panel. Here you will find Explode tool. Click on the Explode tool. Now look at the command line. AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. This means AutoCAD wants you to know which object you want to use the explode. Select the object, then press enter. AutoCAD breaks that into separate individual parts. The second way to start the explode by typing. Go to the command line, type X and press enter. This starts the explode command. So remember, X is the shortcut for explode. Typing shortcut is faster, and this is how many AutoCAD users work professionally. Just like E for erase, M for move, and CO for copy, X is for explode. Now let's understand the basic workflow. First, draw a rectangle. Type REC and press enter. Create a simple rectangle. Now type X and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. Click on the rectangle and then press enter. Now rectangle is exploded. Click one of the line of the rectangle. You will see that one line gets selected. That means rectangle is no longer one connected object. It is now separated lines. Explode is also useful with polylines. A polyline is one connected object made with multiple lines or arc segments. Before exploding, if you click the polyline, the whole polyline gets selected. After the exploding, each segment becomes separate. For example, if you draw a shape using a polyline command, and later you want to edit the segment separately, you can explode it. Type X and press enter. Select the polyline, then press enter. Now each part can select it separately. This is useful when you need more control over the individual segments. Explode is commonly used with the blocks. A block is a group of objects combined into one reusable object. For example, a door symbol, chair symbol, table symbol, or electrical symbol may be created as block. When you select a block, the whole object gets selected as one object. If you explode the block, AutoCAD can break it into original lines, arcs, circles, and other parts. This allows you to edit the individual geometry. But remember, once you explode the block, it's no longer working like a block. So, explode it only when you really edit the separate parts. Let's quickly summarize the explode command. The explode command is used to break combined objects into separate parts. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also start by typing X and press enter. Select the object, press enter. AutoCAD separates the object into smaller editable pieces. Explode can be used for rectangles, polylines, block, array, and some other combined objects. And remember, explode does not delete the object, it's break it down to separate parts. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Draw a rectangle using a rectangle command. Type REC and press enter. Create a simple rectangle. Now click the rectangle. You will see the whole rectangle selected as one object. Press escape. Now type X and press enter. Select the rectangle. Press enter again. Now click one side of the rectangle. Only that line should get selected. This means the rectangle has been exploded into separate lines. Now try the same thing with the polyline. Draw a simple polyline using a PL command and explode it. Then select each segment separately. This will help you to understand what explode command actually does. So this was the explode command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that explode is used when you want to break it down the combined object into separate editable parts. It is useful for rectangles, polylines, blocks, arrays, and imported objects. But don't explode everything without a reason. It is only used when you need to edit individual pieces. In the next video, we'll understand the join command. The join command is almost opposite of explode. Explode separates the objects. Join connects those separate objects together. So in the next lesson, we'll understand how to combine lines and objects properly in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.